Alright, I'm back at the museum because, oh shoot, I'm showing trees. No, I'm not. I'm not showing trees because you're looking at my face. Okay. So it is complete. I added a few of my QR codes on my tree. I wanted to point out a couple of cool little ornaments. Okay, so for anybody that remembers Don Seafood Chatty, this is his business card for Don's and for the oyster company. So I thought that was really cool. So we got Don's and an 804 area code. So you know that is a very old business card. And then Tommy Clark also loaned me, because this is going back to him, this cool old oyster shucker tool. And then over here is one of the old hammers that they used to use also. So these are like so cool, guys. I really and truly, if you're a restaurant owner, I can't tell you how much I appreciate this. So there are 100 or over 100, close to 150 ornaments on here now. And everybody, I just so appreciate you guys doing this. You know, it just, Harbor's End was added. Check out Johnny's frying coop. I love it. I love it. He weighs a lot. He's like me, but if you eat Johnny's frying chicken, you're gonna weigh a lot too. But it is definitely something awesome and something that I'm so proud of. So come see the tree and take advantage of voting. I got my little bucket down here that says to put your token in there to vote for my tree. I also found out that there is going to be an online contest also. So they're going to send me the link and I'll share that with you. For anybody that is coming here, there's an ornament that is hidden. I am German, so if you know what the German ornament is, it is hidden in this tree. The first person on Friday, the first person on Saturday this week, and the first person next week on Friday and Saturday that sends me a picture of that hidden ornament, which is the German tradition to hide, you will get a special gift from me and from one of the people on this tree. So anyway, so this is my tree. I'm so excited. It looks absolutely gorgeous. And that pint container, I just think that's so cool. Better is on there. I got the sun glaring in at me, so I don't know how much you can see, but we've got some really cool ornaments. Chincoteague had some really cool, I have a feeling that's off the, we're missing an ornament. I'll have to look. Oh no, there it is. Okay. Okay. So, and look at the little ponytail or pony pop pony in there. That's not the hidden ornament, just so you know. The burrito for Lily's, Island Creamery. You guys are all awesome. So I just had to, and Becky from Becky's Truffles, her daughter hand crocheted her a truffle. So I thought that was pretty cool also. She has two other ornaments on here. One is a chocolate bomb, and then the other one is a ball that she made to make look like a truffle also. So I just had to point out Becky's daughter's ornament too, because I think that is pretty cool that she was able to create a truffle by crocheting. Very talented young lady. There's some gifts under here that, you know, from Shark and Manders. There's some gift bags. Again, they're empty. So, but anyway, I just had to show you my tree, my Scan Me. I've got my little social media post. You probably can't see it because of the sun. So to follow me. And yeah, we're going to go and have some good times this weekend. Again, first person on Friday and Saturday this week, and the first person on Friday and Saturday next week that sends me the hidden ornament. That's the German tradition. So Google it. You will win a special prize. So guys, thanks for supporting A Girl Loving Food on Chincoteague. I truly appreciate you. It has been a wonderful first year. Fourth year for the list, but first year for A Girl Loving Food on Chincoteague. So you guys are the best. So thank you. And we'll all get together and have a cocktail over the holidays. How's that sound? Take care. Merry Christmas.